This is the brief on the science behind commercial hand dryers versus paper towels. And hey, this discussion is brought to us today by Handy Washroom Direct. You know, for years, we've kind of had this back and forth about which is better, right? Hand dryers or paper towels. But honestly, modern tech and some pretty solid recent studies are really flipping the script on those old ideas. It's actually a super important choice now for businesses thinking about hygiene and sustainability. Okay, first, let's just bust that hygiene myth wide open. A lot of folks worry that hand dryers blow germs everywhere. But nope. Independent tests, like the ones done on the Dyson Airblade, show that these modern jet dryers, they don't really increase germs in the air any more than just, walking away after washing or even using paper towels. Plus, get this, many have touch-free sensors, some even have antimicrobial coatings, so way fewer germy surfaces to touch. That's a big win for safety. Second thing, the environment. This one's kind of huge. Paper towels, turns out they have a much bigger carbon footprint, like up to 70% more CO2 over their whole life compared to modern dryers. And these high-speed dryers, they can slash emissions by up to 94%. And crucially, hand dryers mean zero waste. No trash, no landfill problems, none of that water pollution from making paper. Finally, let's talk about the money, the actual cost. Yeah, okay, dryers cost more upfront, maybe $300 to $1,500 each, but the savings down the road? We're talking up to 95% less spent over time. Think about it. No more buying towels, less janitor time, no waste disposal fees. Especially in busy places, you can see that money back in less than a year. Easy. So, bottom line, these high-speed electric dryers, they're really shaping up to be the healthier, greener, and, cheaper way to go for modern places. To view great hand dryer products, visit handywashroomdirect.com.